Hello everyone, welcome to the Caret IT's industry solution walkthrough. Are you struggling with managing solar projects from start to finish? Facing delays due to stock issues or dealing with the complexities of project costing and subcontractor tracking? If yes, you're not alone. In the solar industry, managing projects isn't just about installation. It's a journey through designing, procurement, execution, inspection, and commissioning. Yet, most ERP aren't built for that complexity. But what if I tell you we have a system tailored for solar industry? So guys, tighten your seatbelts. I'm Neha introducing to you Caret Odoo Solar ERP, a powerful end-to-end system designed to meet real challenges faced by solar companies every day. From dynamic bill of material generation to real-time inventory planning, from project-based costing, tracking of effortless subcontractor coordination, Caret Solar ERP helps you run all this operation faster, smarter, and with full visibility. Enough talks now, let's step into the system and see how this works. Let's say I received a lead for solar installation, and now before creating a sales order for the installation, I want to do the site inspection to check the feasibility if that particular location is feasible for installation or not. So what I will do is I will go to my opportunity, and here itself I will have all the service related information and the site location details of my client. Based on to this site location details, the system will automatically detect the location and provide the map as well. Let's say I've created the site inspection task already, where I have defined which survey team, which survey members will be going for the inspection. They will bring me all the electricity related information and the site checklist. The site checklist will have the minimum basic criteria needed for the installation of solar panels. Now if all these checklists are marked as done and I have reviewed the remarks, let's say my inspection task is being done. Now that the site inspection task is being completed and the site is ready for the solar installation, I will create a solar order for my client. So let's go here and let's say I have created this order, and based on to the sale order reference, my system has automatically fetched the bill of material and the components related to that particular bill of material which needs to be procured. So right now my solar order is into the material order stage. Let's say I have to place a procurement order, and here I will select the vendor from whom I need this material and create a purchase order. So system will automatically associate this purchase order with that particular solar order and have a complete costing tracked for that particular solar project installation. Let's say I confirm this solar order and receive the products as well into my warehouse. Now that my order is being received, I have the reference of that particular purchase order onto my solar order as well, along with the GRN. Now I say here I will change the state that my material is being arrived. Now that the material is arrived, I have the required inventory into my warehouse to initiate the project installation at the client site. So after the material arrival, I will just go to the project installation, and here I will get an option whether this installation will be done by a subcontractor or it will be done by an internal team. When I select the internal team option, here I will get an option to add all the team members and the particular team who will be responsible for the subcontracting and their hourly rates, their wages and all the details. Whereas when I go for subcontracting option, here system will ask me the subcontractor details, and based on to this subcontractor details, system will generate a subcontracting order for this particular solar installation. Now this subcontracting order will be ultimately our purchase order, which is being generated into the Odoo database. In order to initiate the project installation, an installation task is being created. Here we can assign the employee employee who is involved into the project installation at the client site. We can allocate the hours for the installation and record each and every minute details of the project installation things. Once this installation is done, here we can see the delivery order can also be generated in order to deliver the material from our warehouse to the client location, which will ultimately have the effect onto our inventory and record the stock movement. After that, let's say the project installation is being done, and based on to this installation we have to do the further quality checks. When I go to quality checks, here we will get an option for the quality inspection. Again, here we will have an opportunity to select if this quality inspection will be carried out by the internal team or it will be subcontracted. Let's say we have to subcontract the quality inspection task. So here I will select a subcontractor who will be responsible for quality inspection and their subcontracting amounts. And I will create a subcontracting order. So let's select this and create a subcontracting order for quality inspection. Once this contract is being created, here I will have again a checklist. Once these quality checks are being done and the task is being marked as completed, I can go to my solar order and pass this quality check. Now that my quality checks are being passed, I will have the contract details onto my solar order and the check points as well. Let's say the quality checks are done and my solar project installation is also being completed. After the solar installation completion, we also get an option to track the material warranty things and the maintenance requests which are being received by the client after the installation. Into this maintenance request, a maintenance order can be created against this particular solar order, and this maintenance request can be tracked into the database as well.